Silly, 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 silly. Silly, 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 silly. Mazatlan! Say Mazatlan! Up and down, up and down. The wheels on the car go up and down all day long. Hi guys, so today we are taking a walk on the Malecon. So basically we would like to continue our video that we took a while back, part 1 of the southern part of Malecon, which is down over there. So today we're going to start walking from the area called Playa Norte, which is the north beach. And that is obviously also, it's called Playa Norte, but in reality it's actually in the south of the city. And so starting from here, going all the way towards the north of the Malecon. So as if you remember, we mentioned Malecon is very, very long. It's a boardwalk, oceanfront boardwalk, stretching all the way from north to south, you know, along the coastline of the Mazatlán city. So, and we did cover the southern part of the Malecon before, and now today we're trying to cover more of it. I'm not sure we can cover all of it to the end, but we'll do our best to show you as much as possible of the boardwalk. Yeah, it's a nice day today. Yet again, it's a very beautiful day. And we see people swimming, and we also see a lot of people walking on the Malecon. So it's a pretty busy time of the day, I guess. It's approaching lunchtime, so it's a busy time. And we're going to see many different statues along the way on the Malecon, and they have the different sculptures, stone sculptures, like for example one here. This is a big statue of the lighthouse with the fisherman and a woman with the dolphins. I think she's called the dolphin woman, just like that. Yeah, La Mujer Delfin. So yeah. So every sculpture, every statue on the Malecon has a meaning. And they all carry the meaning, something to do with the ocean, and you know, they reflect the culture of Mazatlan as a city. And so the fisherman signifies the, you know, the love for fishing in the city. Guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go down Malecon on the beach, and we're gonna take a walk right along the beach, along the coastline, going north. Yeah, and then we're gonna do walking on the boardwalk, showing you the boardwalk itself. So there's two ways of walking the Malecon, right? One on the beach and one on top of the boardwalk, alongside the road. A lot of sand. Yeah? Hold my hand. Oh, look at this ocean breeze. So nice. Do you feel good? Yeah. Feel it. Ocean breeze in your face.
Look at on top of your head.
Oh.
Mommy, look at on top of your head.
What's that? What do you think? Oh, this one. That's a jellyfish. Ah, look at it. I think it's a jellyfish. Ah, it's cute. Let's go. Ah, look at this wave. Beautiful. We're just gonna walk along the beach right here, okay? Okay, so here we are on the beach. Down below, the boardwalk is on the right, and the ocean is on the left. I can see it. It's beautiful. Oh, they're so beautiful, those rocks. And look, look, look! It is an albatross, actually. Yes, you see the birds? Remember Finding Nemo? And the albatross was a friend who helped find Nemo. That's him. It is a very, very hot day today, but there's a very nice breeze coming all the way from the ocean, and it makes it so nice and cool. Look at these beautiful waves. Yeah. And those are 3 iconic islands off the coast of Mazatlán. And the names are the Island of Deer, Island of Birds, and Island of Wolves. They are small, but you can take a day trip on the boat to, as we here, for good snorkeling. It's good to snorkel there. Let's go. And look guys, look at the beach, and look, it's pretty full. There are many, many people on the beach. And just look at the beach as far as the size. And so the difference now between this beach on the Malecon and the other beaches that we have featured so far in our videos is that this beach is a little angled, so you kind of walk slanted a little. And just like we mentioned before in our other videos, that not all the beaches in Mazatlan are super wide and flat. This beach is one of them. It's not as wide as the other beaches, like for example Cerritos beach is much wider, and it's not as flat, it's angled, but it's still a good beach. There's still plenty of space. And guess what? I hear the live band. Like we mentioned before, Mazatlan beaches are very entertaining. Yes, music. Yes, they're very entertaining. There's a lot of music always on the beach. You can hear. Dance. Of sand. Yeah, it's sticky because of the salty water. And here we are looking now at the beach bars or beach eaters. So this is a stretch where there's quite a few of them that you can see right on there, like right on the beach. They're serving seafood and snacks and drinks with all those thatched roofs. They call them, these roofs here, they call palapas. When you see a thatched roof, covered like a patio thing. It's called the Palapa in Mexico. Oh, there's another band we're hearing. So band after band, from beach to beach, all day long. Traditional Mexican music. There's lots of entertainment on the beaches in Mazatlan. Oh, look at these snacks. I love them. Fresh mangoes, fresh watermelon, fresh coconut. Yeah? Makes you sing? Yeah. That's okay. It's just the sand.
Yes, Mama.
Oh yeah, look, another guy. Yeah. Another kite. Yeah, so the beach here is very angled right now. Like I can feel it. And look at it, look, it's very steep, one can say. Actually, it's pretty steep. It makes it a little hard to walk on it. Oh, but it's a very good exercise. Even just walking slowly, it's an exercise. And if you keep walking all along the coastline, you're definitely gonna feel it in your legs, because the sand makes it also harder, so it's like it's a vigorous exercise. The sand makes it harder to walk easily, so that's actually pretty good. So here we see palapas with chairs, right? It's fenced out, so it must be this area is used by that hotel, which is right behind. So it's used for their guests. Yeah, the only thing about Mazatlan beaches here on Malecon is that the road basically is a divider between the hotels and the beach. So you can't just, come out of the hotel and right there in front of you the beach. You have to cross the road. And the road is a major one. It's always full of traffic. So it's not an easy road to actually cross. So that's a little bit of inconvenience, but it's very close to the building. It's just that, the crossing the road, that might be a little bit of a hustle to do, especially if you have children and if you have lots of things to carry to the beach. Yeah. Look at all these albatross birds. Look how many are there. So many. Look, Vincent. Whee! They're actually very pretty, right? Yeah, the waves come very close. Yeah. So the beach is really, really beautiful in Mazatlan. I agree with everybody who made that comment before me. It's so long, it's so wide, it's so open, and there's so much room on the beach that I doubt that it can ever be super crowded. You can always move to the next beach to just find a spot for yourself under the sun. I mean, look at this here. There's nobody here, and then there's few people there, few people in the back, but really, it's not that even crowded. So for the beach lovers, if you're looking for a good beach, I think Mazatlán should be your choice. It could be your choice because it offers different kinds of beaches, and so many of them that there will always be something that you would like. And in addition to that, I think the skyline of the city is very pretty. It's really pretty. Right here we see already we're approaching the end of the Malecon. It's the north of Malecon with all those high-rise buildings. Some of them are hotels, some of them are condominium buildings. So, and look at this beauty. It's amazing. It's just incredible. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go up now and start taking a walk on top of the Malecon, on top of the boardwalk. Oh, plenty of stairs. You gotta start counting them. 20 stairs. Let's wait. Oh, the views are even better from up above. So we were just down there, right by the ocean on the beach, and now we are up on the boardwalk. Wow, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I wonder if you can ever get tired of looking at the ocean. Probably not. Yeah, it's incredible. Look at this. It's incredible. Look, Prince Eric, come, look. Look at this person carrying food on top of the head. It's amazing. Look, nothing is falling. He's balancing so well. Oh, he's got cupcakes. He's got some bakery. Yum, yum. And he carries the whole tray on top of his head. Did you see that?
Can I eat one?
Yes. Would you like it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Where are they now?
Roof palapas. These are actually bars, beachfront bars and eateries, and you can see quite a few of them along the beach, along the coastline. So walking on the boardwalk, you can always come down and just have a little snack and a drink right on the beach. So they have stairs all along the beach line, and the stairs leading down the beach and then going up. You can always enter and exit easily. So the boardwalk is a nice place to just keep walking, and people watching, and also car watching. It's a very busy road that the Malecon is on. Wow, what do you see? So like I mentioned before, we're gonna see different sculptures along the way, and here is one. Woo, look at you, looking so cool in this car. This is a Pulmonia. This is a symbolic car vehicle used in Mazatlán. And beep beep, beep beep. Beep beep, beep beep. Look up, look up. So this is Pulmonia. It's a special car for sightseeing in Mazatlán. It's all open. And here's one coming right here. You'll see a lot of them on the roads. Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the car go round and round all day long. What?
Up and down, it's going up
Oh,
and down.
the wheels on the car go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels on the car go up and down all day long. Woo! We are sitting in the Pulmonia. Look at this cute little car, and that's how it is in real life. It's a replica of a real size car called Pulmonia.
Mommy,
It's a car for only 4 people, including the driver, and it's used for tourists to drive them all along the Malecon and in the city around. As you can see, there's no doors, no windows, it's all open air. Yeah, it's a very symbolic car of the city of Mazatlán.
you go on the back.
Oh, okay, excuse me. Okay, I'll move to the back. And so the funny thing, they say there is a story behind this car. So it's called Pulmonia because historically people thought that people were getting sick sitting in this car with no doors and windows, and that they would get sick so much that they will get pneumonia, and hence the name for this car, as we know, it's called Pulmonia, like a pulmonary disease, you know, that passengers would get sick riding on Pulmonias. It's kind of funny, and they say that the name just kind of like stick with the car, and that's up to this day they use the same name, Pulmonia, as if you're gonna get pneumonia riding in this car. So of course it's not the case like that, but in the old times that's what the thinking was, that people would get sick riding in this open air car.
Mommy, I'm getting sick in here.
Oh, you're getting sick already? You're getting seasick maybe. No, you're getting super healthy because of the ocean air, right? We're breathing. Are you breathing it in? Yeah. This is so cute. There's a Pulmonia right here. Yeah. So there's 2 types. There's one is Pulmonia, and this one we're approaching, the red one. It's bigger one. It's called Aranya. Yeah. So 2 types of like open air cars. So just to make a point, on the right side of the Malecon is the major road. It's like a major city road with lots of traffic. And on the other side of the road are the hotels and high-rise condominium buildings. So you can buy easily a unit in one of those high-rise buildings. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom units with the views of the ocean. Yeah, there's many of them alongside the Malecon. So like here you can see the stairs taking you down to the beach. from the boardwalk. So easy entering, easy exiting.
Mommy, I'm gonna go down.
Yeah, we're gonna go straight down.
Mama, that was very, very fun.
Yeah.
So fun today, yeah.
This looks like a busy place. That's a place with a live band. Busy. They probably have very good food. That's why it's so popular. Do the hopscotch. Go. Hey, there's a band. Wow! So the boardwalk is so wide and it's so big and open too that you can do all kinds of things here. You can just take a walk, or you can do roller skating on the side, or you can just cycle, or you can jog. I mean, there's so many things you can do just walking along. Look at it, how open it is. We came to a new statue right here, sculpture of the seals. Look at this cute seals, Prince Eric. It will be difficult. Yeah, sit there. Yeah, sit on the small one. There you go. Yeah, that's your size. Like on the floaty. That's cute. Wait. Oh, you are so much room, and there's so much sand. It's so soft. Yeah, it's really nice. As I was saying that, I mean, to fill up this whole coastline, you'll need a lot of people. Of course, we're here in before COVID times, they do get busy, but I cannot imagine that it would be completely filled up, so I won't find a spot. Yeah, that's incredible. We're gonna get on Pulmonia and have a ride down. These are actually baseball players, I think. Let's find out. Baseball guys. Oh. You want to get down? Venados, the favorite baseball team in Mazatlán, Los Venados. Yeah. So baseball is pretty big in Mazatlán, and there is a stadium right behind you over there. I think they're building it, or maybe it's already ready. But I know they have a big project right now going on under construction with a very, very big stadium.